Hello, good morning student. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Today our topic is real number. We have studied real number in previous classes. Real number. The real number are all rational and irrational number. For example, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 3, minus 2, minus 3 and 0.1, 0.1, 0.01, 0.001 up to so on. Divisibility of integer. Divisibility of integer. A non-zero integer a is said to divide an integer b if there exists an integer c such that b is equal to ac. For example, 4 divides 24 as there exists an integer 6 such that 24 is equal to 4 multiply 6. Here 24 is dividend, 4 is divisor and 6 is quotient. Euclid division lemma. Euclid division lemma deals with divisibility of integer. Euclid division lemma is in fact a restatement of long division process. For example, 25 is divided by 4. 25 is equal to 4 multiply 6 plus 1. 0 is greater than 1 is less than 4. Statement of Euclid division lemma. For each pair of integer for each pair of integer a and b, there exist unique integer q and r such that a is equal to bq plus r, where r lies between 0 and b. Now we will do exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. First question. Use Euclid division algorithm to find the HCF of 135 and 225. According to Euclid division algorithm, A is equal to BQ plus R. Euclid division algorithm. Zero is less than R is less than B. Here A is equal to 225, B is equal to 135. 225 is equal to 135 multiply 1 plus 90. You can do it similarly. 225 divided by 135. 135, remainder comes 90. Now we divided 135 by 90. 90, 45. Now we divide 90 by 45. 45 to the 90, remainder comes 0. 135 is equal to 90 multiply 1 plus 45. 90 is equal to 45 multiply 2 plus 0. Here remainder is 0. HCF of 225, 135 is equal to HCF 135, 90 is equal to HCF 90, 45 is equal to 45. HCF is equal to 45. Now question number 2. Second and third part of question number first, do yourself. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, where q is some integer. Use Euclid division algorithm. Let a is a positive integer a is equal to bq plus r, where R lies between 0 and B. Here B is equal to 6. Case first, put R is equal to 0. A is equal to 6 plus 1, which is even number. Which is a even number because multiple of 6 is also even number. Now case second, put R is equal to 1. A is equal to 6 plus 1, which is an odd number. If we add 1 in even number, it becomes odd. Case 3, put R is equal to 2. A is equal to 6 plus 2, which is even number. Case 4, R is equal to 3. A is equal to 6 plus 3, odd number. Case 5, R is equal to 4. A is equal to 6 plus 4, even number. Case 6, R is equal to 5. A is equal to 6 plus 5, odd number. Similarly, hence odd number will be in the form 6 plus 1, 6 plus 3 or 6 plus 5. For example, let 1, 3, 5, 7, these are the odd number. We can write in the form 6 plus 1 or 6 plus 3 or 6 plus 5. 1 is equal to 6 multiply 0, where 0 is the quotient, plus 1. This is the form of 6 plus 1. This is the form of 6 plus 1, where q is 0. Next 3. 6 multiply 0 plus 3. This is the form of 6 plus 3, where q is 0. 5. 6 multiply 0 plus 5, which is the form of 6 plus 5, where q is 0. Now 7. 6 multiply 1 plus 1. This is the form of 6 plus 1, where q is 1. Similarly, all odd number we can write in the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. Now question number 3. An army contingent of 616, an army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members is a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of column. What is the maximum? What is the maximum number of column? We have to find maximum number of columns, means HCF of these numbers. Use Euclid division algorithm. Use Euclid division algorithm. A is equal to BQ plus R. R lies between 0 and B. A is equal to 616. B is equal to 32. 616 is equal to 32. 616 divided by 32. 32 remainder 29. 6 9 288 remainder 8. 8 divide 32. 8 4 जा 32. 616 is equal to 32. Quotient is 19 plus remainder is 8. 32 is equal to 8 multiply 4 plus remainder is 0. HCF 616 and 32 is 8. So that the maximum number of columns is 8. Maximum number of column is 8. Now question number 4. Use Euclid division lemma to show that square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. So for some integer m, square of the number will be in the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. Use Euclid division lemma. Use Euclid division lemma. A is equal to BQ plus R, where R lies between 0 and B. Case first, A is equal to 3Q, where R is equal to 0. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. A square is equal to 3Q square. A square is equal to 9Q square. A square is, we can take common as 3. 3Q square. A square is equal to 3m, where m is equal to 3Q square. Now case second, A is equal to 3Q plus 1, R is equal to 1. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. A square is equal to 3Q plus 1 whole square. A square is equal to, using identity A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. 3Q square plus 1 plus 2AB 3q into 1. 3q square 9q square plus 1 plus 6q. 9q square plus 6q plus 1. Take 3 as a common in two sides. 3q square plus 2q plus 1. 3m plus 1 where m is equal to 3q square plus 2q. So that the square of any positive integer, hence square of any positive integer will be in the form 3m or 3m plus 1. For example, if we take 1 square, it comes 1. It can be written in the form 3 into 0 plus 0, where m is 0. Sorry, 1. Where m is 0. This is the form 3m plus 1. 2 square is equal to 4. 3 into 1 plus 1. This is also form of 3m plus 1. Next, 4 square is equal to 16. 3 into 5 plus 1 is equal to, this is the form of 3m plus 1. 9. 3 square is equal to 9. We can write it 3 into 3 plus 0. This is the form of 3m where m is the 3. Similarly, 9 square is equal to 81. 3 multiply 27 plus 0 where m is 27. Okay, bye students.